Scotty. Ooh. Is this a Wagyu? Ooh, Wagyu radiator is here.
This can all be yours if... Well, I can't finish that statement.
You are not
I
Vanna.
definitely can't finish that statement.
You're definitely not Vanna White.
No, I'm not. Her hair's longer than mine, and she has more of it.
She's got a better rack, too.
I never claimed to have a decent rack.
What? What?
Thank you, Xander. Thank you. I appreciate that. Ooh, Xander.
Xander,
This is pretty.
you might want to...
This is definite. Oh, this is definitely car porn. Hold the other side of that box if you could, sir. Ready? Ta-da!
Ooh.
That's gorgeous.
That's a nice cold case radiator.
Yeah, it is. That's absolutely
That's going to keep
beautiful.
that stroke 390 cool.
You said stroked.
It's stroke, Dad.
He said stroke.
That's really nice.
Just because...
I love this company. They do such an amazing job.
Yeah, the cold case stuff's really nice. All right. Happy, happy, joy, joy.
Yep. All right, so let's one down, if you want to grab that
Yeah.
box again.
And we also have the AC kit.
Come on, put it in the drawer.
Come on, Scotty.
I never thought you'd ask.
Did I just witness a crime?
Yeah, I think so.
So, in this kit,
Inside this box.
we got hose.
We had hose everywhere.
Yep.
We don't love them hose.
So, hoses.
I'm glad we got the crimper. There's our beautiful condenser.
Oh, this is nice. This is a good kit.
Of course it is.
Compressor.
Compressor. Pull it. Whip it out, Scotty.
Well, I don't know about that.
On camera. Fittings. Brackets.
Nice.
Binary switches.
What's in the big box?
That's technically an underdash unit.
Yep.
And what we're doing with that is we're gutting it and putting it in his.
Ooh.
Putting it in the original?
Yeah, putting it in the original. Look at that. They're nice.
That's nice.
Good stuff.
Who did we get this through?
Old Air Products. I've been using them for over a decade. I like their stuff far better than Vintage Air and...
Be careful what you say.
I'm just saying my preference.
He didn't say he doesn't like them.
No, the Vintage Air stuff's good
I don't
too.
care if you identify as offended to a 67 Mustang GT.
I thought you're
he
the
might
offended
identify
GT.
as a lamp. Shove a light bulb up your ass. Be happy. What? I don't care.
Whoa, whoa. Your grandparents.
I'm a
must be
fool
so
now.
proud. Your grandpa's at home. Oh, what they uploaded it? Oh, there's my grandson talking about shoving a light bulb in his ass.
Imagine it breaks and you just have like flash.
We should ask Glenn if he knows anything about that at the hospital.
Well, just know this. Coming from a friend of mine who works in the ER.
Nobody accidentally falls on anything?
No, you don't accidentally shove something in your butt.
Yeah.
I fell.
Yeah, and that 11-inch beep, beep, beep went in there just by itself. I doubt it.
I fell on this Christmas tree ornament. Ooh, yeah, expansion.
I
valve.
don't think putting glass in that particular orifice would be a good thing.
They have glass
I don't think
dildos.
putting glass in any hole would be a good thing.
But the glass dildos are solid, huh? You're not.
You're looking at the wrong person on that one.
I'm pretty sure.
Xander, you should buy one for your old lady and find out.
She doesn't need one.
Market research.
I'll buy one for you though.
He doesn't. No, I don't need one.
So this
You
is.
already have one.
Jesus.
Well, he needs something after he popped the blow-up doll with that pinprick.
So lots of good stuff.
Okay, we need to stop. We need to get back to work here.
Anyway, lots of good stuff.
Okay, so this is an absolutely wonderful kit. It
Yeah,
really is.
I know how to spec out kits really good. You know why? Because I've been doing it for a long time.
You've been around kits your whole life?
Yeah, AC kits. Does he know that story?
No.
Funny as shit. So we're at the racetrack last year on my birthday. And Wick and Allie and everybody there. And she's had some beverages, let's just say. So she's like standing at the door of the trailer, with the cables. She's like, I've been around trailers my whole life. As soon as she fucking says that, she trips over the cable and face plants outside the door. And Wick and I are just like, oh my God. It was hilarious. So now, whenever I've been around, insert whatever it is, my whole life.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's funnier when you were there.
You'd love Allie. She's really, really cool.
He met her once. She came by one day when we were tearing around Wagyu motor.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Oh. So, all right, Scotty. Well, it's not grinder. What time is it?
Give it 5 more minutes. It starts around 7:30, 7:45, almost every day.
All right, and with that, you can find Scotty on Grinder. Drinks only, please.
No, I mean, for the right person, I don't mind changing my style up a little bit, if that's what you want to call it.
Don't be bad.
Xander's like, I'm out of here. This is bad. Okay, and we're out.